Hey there, this is Ken coming to you the week of October 14th, and I'm going to go ahead and call it. This is peak week. I think this is going to be probably our best availability of apples for this nice long apple season that we're doing. We've got about 21 varieties of apples under the tent today, 3 bins of pears, although one of them's getting a little bit low, and even a bin of Asian pears today. Lots of kind of late season favorites coming in. We've got the Newtown Pippins, which is a classic, wonderful pie apple, way better than Granny Smith. We've got the Mutsu, which is a giant green, great fresh eater, crisp, crunchy, sweet. One of the taste tests I did once, that one beat out Honeycrisp in a lot of people's opinion. We've got the Rubinettes in this week for the first time. Also a Rondo Rose, that's a Portland Nursery exclusive back there. Lots of other old favorites. Division is also loaded with apples and pears, and it's all still 99 cents. So come on down, enjoy the good weather, and get yourself some fruit. Y'all take care.